Hey Calm Crew, it's your girl Ashley, and this is your weekly Calm Reset. This week's word is breathe. Wherever you are, take a second, let your shoulders drop, let your breath deepen, and let your mind loosen its grip. Remember, you don't have to rush your way into becoming. You can breathe your way